I also wanted to show you guys my new cold press juicer. I've been wanting one for so long. You guys know I always do juice cleanses and stuff every now and then. My husband, the last time he did the juice cleanse with me, he's like, can you buy this every week? Now, obviously, it's not possible to buy a juice cleanse every single week, but I figured it's easier to juice for him. And obviously I can get on board with it as well. He is obsessed with all that kind of stuff. Honestly, I have not had 1 minute to open it, so I'm opening it with you guys. This is from Froothie. You guys know how obsessed I am with my blender. They're really, really a good brand. They've got some really good quality products. So I'm really excited to try this one. And I spoke to one of the reps, and because they've got quite a few different ones, I wanted a slim one that does the same thing, and it had to be cold press. And this is the one they recommended. Okay, first impression as soon as I took it out of the box is it's small and compact, which is exactly what I wanted. As you guys know, my husband's taken over the butler's pantry with his coffee machine, so I need something really small, which is perfect. It comes with the pieces, so this goes on here. It obviously screws into place, and then you've got this part that you push the fruit into. It's got the cups, it's got a cleaning brush. Whoops, a cleaning brush. It's got this, which I haven't worked out what this is yet, but I will. Because that one's the strainer, so that's where it strains out just the juice. I'm not sure what this is yet. I'll work it out. But the best part of this whole thing is it gives you 100 juice recipes, which I'm actually excited about because I thought the biggest thing is how do you think of juices and what to juice and what not. So, oh yum, lemon ginger. So it's got all these juices, which I'm sure I'm going to share with you guys as we go. Ages ago I had a juicer and it was so annoying because I had so many different parts to pull out, and I literally, like, it was big and it was bulky and then it was just too annoying. I just honestly just stopped juicing because it was just easier to stop than to wash that 500 times a day. This I'm going to go set it up in the area that I'm going to have it in, and I'll probably make juice tomorrow, I think, and I just need to go buy some celery. He wants celery juice. So I'm going to buy some celery today for him and then make a few days worth, and I'll obviously show you guys how it's done, but I'll go set it up now. Honestly, could this be any more perfect? It's like the perfect measurement, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to set it up permanently like this, and it's got little rubber things so it doesn't move on the bottom. And then this goes here, so the juice goes here, and it's right next to the sink. So I can wash my fruit or whatever it is, cut them up here, prepare them, and then juice it, and then it goes straight back in the sink. So easy. It's like it was meant to be. It's actually really cute. Obviously, I won't be displaying the cups. They'll go in my my drawers. But that's so neat. It's perfect. I love it.